Hello everyone, I'm Rohit. I, on behalf of Student Society, would like to welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platform of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Here we will be discussing about new and innovative techniques for different lessons from our chapters, and in short, we will learn how to make the whole process of learning fun and interesting for the kids. Today, the chapter that I'll be covering is from Class 5 Ncert report. Subject is Environmental Studies, and the name of the lesson is Every Drop Counts. The innovation that I'll be using here for covering this lesson is known as concept explanation. The main innovation behind using this idea is to give the students a hands-on experience so that they can easily relate the things that have been taught to them. The important concepts that we'll be covering with the help of this innovation are learning about the different modes of water storage, learning about ways to manage water, learning about the importance of water harvesting, learning about the customs related to water. The duration for this activity will be 40 minutes. And the pre-arrangements that we need for implementing this idea are we'll be needing picture card of a man praying on a river in a river. Next, picture card of tube well, step well, and pumps, water pumps. Then we'll be needing video of step well and rainwater harvesting. Then we'll be needing disposable bottles with its bottom layer cut, right? First of all, we'll focus on giving the students a concept about the customs related to water. We inform the students that due to limited availability of water, water has been an important part of humankind, and for this reason, we have been worshipping and celebrating the presence of water. Then, while saying so, we show them the picture card of a man praying in a river. And we ask the students that, can you tell me what the man is doing? They might respond that he is praying. We inform the students that there are various customs in different religions which in turns is done to celebrate and worship water. And we not only celebrate the presence, we not only we do not have these customs only because of cultural values, but also because fresh water is very limited. Next, we give the students focus on giving the students the concept about ways to manage water and the importance of the unequal distribution of water. We ask the students that, can you tell me how to get water at your home? They might respond from water supply or from tape or from tank, etc. We tell the students that today we'll be doing one activity through which we'll learn the unequal distribution of water. We take the students outside. We ask the students that how many tapes are there in our school. We take the responses. We inform the students to go around the school, open the tapes, and look the force of water in those tapes. Once they're done with it, we ask them one question. Can you tell me, was the force of water same in all the water tapes? They might respond no. We tell them that similar to this, uh, due to limited availability of fresh water, even though water is very important for all of us, but due to a limited availability of fresh water, there has been an unequal distribution of water among the people, and so we should not waste fresh water because it is very limited. Next, we focus on giving the students the concept about the step well and the different modes of water storage. We ask the students that, can you tell me what are the different ways of storing water, or what are the sources of water? They might respond lake, pond, water supply, etc. We ask them that the man-made structures that we have responded, like lakes and ponds, where do they get water from? They might respond from rainwater or groundwater. Then we show them the picture card of the step well that has been previously used. Once we are done with the video, we tell the students that rainwater is the means of water for us human beings, and this is the only freshest form of water. And step wells was used previously because the presence of the steps allowed the people to take the water even in dry seasons. And so is the case with the lakes and ponds that are man-made structures. We make them so that we can use the water in the other seasons also. Next, we move on to give the students the concept about the rainwater harvesting. For that, we do another one activity. We take the students outside to the playground, divide them into two groups. We ask them to make a hole in the ground and place the two disposable bottles that we have given them. We ask them to pour water into it. Then we ask the students to collect oil sample from there and then soil sample from there and another soil sample from a faraway place which is dry. Then we ask the students that what do you see the difference in between the two oil samples. They might respond that the oil, the one which we have poured water on, is much more wetter. We tell them that that is the reason, and the man-made structures which are used for storing water not only helps us in giving water, but it also helps in making the soil fertile in and around. And this way we continue with the class, giving the students concept about the various things which you have discussed in lesson. And when you start teaching the students in this manner, we get a lot of learning outcomes. Apart from the ones that we have mentioned in the topic, we also help in developing the critical thinking, decision making process, communication skills, interpersonal skills, and so many other things. And most importantly, we will be converting the whole class into a fun and interesting one, and we'll be creating a self-learning environment among the students. And for this innovation, this idea, that's all. I hope you like this video, and if you want more of such videos from us, please do like, share, and subscribe to our official channel, ZIIEI.